Humanity. It's April 2, 2018, and this is Mondays with Bev and Paul and
Oh,
Michaela. We have Germany here.
wow. Yay.
Oh, she came for a special day. So,
She did.
yes. So,
Yeah.
hello, everyone. By the way, my name's Paul.
And my name's Bev.
It is.
And this is a very special day. Not only do we have Michaela here, but it is a celebration.
It is.
Of your birthday.
Of my birthday.
Happy birthday, Paul. Oh,
So we have a good question.
we do, which I would love to ask you, Paul. What is your birthday wish today?
Well, let me tell you. My birthday wish is this.
Oh.
But I'm going to share as I shared with you all, I'm going to share what happened this morning. So I'm leaving to come to the office today. I'm buzzing out of the house, and as I leave, there's this hot air balloon, and it's floating, and it's coming closer and closer, right near where I'm at. And pretty soon I see this truck pull up that has the stuff to carry all the paraphernalia for the hot air balloon, and it keeps coming closer and closer and closer. So I turn around, I get out of the car, and sure enough, right on our cul-de-sac, I've been given balloons by the gods.
Heaven is acknowledging Paul Bucky's birthday.
That's our cul-de-sac,
Wow.
and our house is just to the left there, and it just boom.
Happy birthday, Paul.
Happy birthday, Paul. I mean, does it get any better
I
than
know.
that?
That's amazing. That is amazing.
So
but
when
you
I-
deserve that.
So when I posted it, it'll always say April 2nd, 2018.
2018. That is amazing.
So what a great way to start the day. And then
I
I come in
know.
here with you two lovely ladies,
Oh,
and
thank
I had
Yeah.
cards, Jenny, and had a birthday dinner last night. I got lots of tequila. It must be the theme this year.
That's
I'm
what
gonna-
people think about
I'm going
you,
to drink away
Yeah,
2018.
Right.
So it's interesting when that question comes up, Paul, what is your birthday wish? And I think all three of us will talk a little about this, because my birthday wish at 5 years old was that everybody could be happy and healthy.
Yeah.
And the interesting thing is I felt guilty. You know, as a 5-year-old, I knew already I should be wishing for a bike. You know,
Like
and
every normal
yeah,
5-year-old.
you know, what was wrong with me? How come I was wishing to be happy and healthy?
Mm.
And so over the decades after that 5th year, I really began to learn that actually is our birthright. It's our birthright to be happy and healthy, and I just wanted people to reclaim that birthright. And
Yeah.
then BioTouch came into being, which,
Wow.
as we were talking about, really acknowledges that.
Yeah, it so does. You know, it's interesting because, as we know, I think I mentioned last week on our show that because we had the Aries full moon coming in and the equinox, that this is a time of renewal and resurrection. And a couple of days ago, I was actually on my way down to the center, and a thought came to me that in this time of renewal, that the soul of humanity is okay. We're really okay. That, you know, in everything that's happening for us right now, it's bringing us into such an awareness of what our possibilities are. And, you know, I always try to bring everything back into the realm of how BioTouch can implement that. And this great gift is maybe that's why it's here right now and so timely, because it can help us enter into that place of equality. And if nothing else, it gives us hope. And so that was a very powerful message for me. Stop dwelling on what we think is going on in the world, because we're all witnessing it and we're all observing it, and there's a lot of pain and suffering. But that soul, that group consciousness of humanity, we're really doing fine. And I think BioTouch is going to bring that more and more into our consciousness and our awareness. And that's what's
nice about having Mikaela. as a representative of the global community that's
Yeah.
starting to form in this sharing of biotouch.
Oh, it is a time of renewal in this foundation, isn't it?
And
Yeah.
how do you find that happening in Germany compared? Well, not compared. I mean, what's happening in Germany in relation to that?
I mean, people are so they're looking for humanity. So it's kind of everyone is stressed out. Like here, you run, and then you don't function anymore. You just next one, once and once. So they just want to have something they just can kind of relax and feel their humanity again. So it's not that they can't feel it anymore because there's no time to feel humanity for themselves and for others.
So how do you say in German, people want to feel their humanity?
Sie möchten die Menschlichkeit fühlen.
Good.
That's good. What I was thinking while you were saying that is that it's a human condition. It's not just in the United States. It's not just in Germany. Because you just said it. People everywhere, humanity. We all want the same things, don't we? And we all deserve your birthright, Paul. Yeah, healthy and happy, for sure.
Yeah, we have John. I don't know, remember John Mono? He's saying hi. Hi, Michaela.
Yeah.
Hi, we got Lester here. We got Julie here. We're all celebrating this birthday today. And we have Deborah's daughter, Jill's here. And it's her birthday today, too. Happy birthday, Jill. We're just here. We're going to give Jill, there you go. That's for you, too, Jill. You can have a balloon also.
Right. There's big enough to share.
Right.
Yeah.
So it's exciting, Michaela. We're excited. How many people are out there now trying to get certified? There's six.
Around six.
Six?
Yeah.
Wow.
And how close are they now to getting certified?
I mean, two finished the 12th class. So they have they're finished with the certification. They have to get the point check.
Wow.
That's two of them, and two are very close, and the other kind of at the beginning, but they still want to go through. Just takes them a little bit longer. That's fine.
Yeah.
So what we do with everybody is we have 12 classes, certification classes that Mikaela graciously and painstakingly.
Oh my goodness.
With help of Christina,
Yeah, and Christine, right in Switzerland,
Yeah.
translated into German. So we send those out, and of course we have a good program now. We can translate it, but Michaela looks at it and interacts with them. And then once a month we do an interaction with people through the website. Web conference.
Zoom, that's really nice. Yeah.
How do people like that?
They like it.
Oh.
It's pretty good for them to see you guys and talk about it and just get more interaction with biotouch.
Yeah.
Otherwise, it's got biotouch. It's in the US, but it's when they know you, it's better.
It's good for us too. I always feel very, rejuvenated, and it just gives me a lot of hope to actually get on the conference with these people in Germany, and we talk and look at each other, and it's lovely. I really like that.
It's much better.
Connection. Yeah.
Email is good, but seeing each other, it's a totally different story.
Well, we're a community,
right.
So this is going to allow us to just be present with each other more and more. Yeah.
So we're encouraging you, wherever you are tuning in today, is to want to learn biotouch and become part of our global community of humanity, wanting to help one another. I mean, it's it's interesting when you talk about in Germany, there's the stress and there's this. I remember when I went to Egypt and did a presentation, and they were calling from Iran and Qatar, and everybody had the same problem.
Yeah.
It's a global. There's a
global thing.
Yes.
Yeah.
Globally, there's something in common, and that's we're all suffering.
A human condition.
Yes.
It's a human condition.
I mean, that's sort of the story of some of the great people that came to the planet, the Jesuses and the Buddhas, and they came to tell us of our suffering, but that's not who we are. That's right.
They brought the hope.
The hope of what dwells within us, and whether we do it in German or we do it in Arabic or we do it in Chinese or Japanese.
Right.
the body's the same.
Yeah.
Yep.
So this is real, and it's exciting when we're on a web conference with everybody. It's like there's no distance anymore. And tell us about the young gal's name. Vivica.
Okay.
Yes. Tell us about her.
I mean, she's very young, and she just finished high school more or less, and she was not sure what to do, and she wants to do some medical stuff. Her mom is a doctor and works with alternative things, so she's very open to alternative treatments. So, and then her aunt bought a BioTouch book, and she kind of settled it up, the whole thing, you know.
Really?
So I went up to the north, and there was a couple of other people from her friendship, and Vivica was there too, and she really liked it, and went through the certification, and she's almost done too, 11 or 11th class or something like that,
That's great.
And she had that dream or something when she was young, didn't she?
Yeah, when she was young, she wanted to be a healer or something. She wants to heal with her hands, so she was really totally. So now she got it, you know.
That's
incredible story.
I love that story. She is such a beautiful young woman, very poised, and she has a plan, and her plan is to help other people. I'm just really hopeful for this generation.
And didn't her mother already give her a place in her office?
Yeah, she definitely have different
like treatment rooms or something.
Something like that, and she can get one of these, and then she can have her own patients. So probably her mom recommends whenever there's something going on, and she thinks that might help. She can.
How exciting!
Yeah, that's very nice, very rare and unusual.
Very.
Doctor kind of gives you the chance to do that. So
well, BioTouch breaks down barriers, so we're just seeing the beginning of that. I think. Yeah.
Well, we're thrilled at that. People always ask us, Michaela, where exactly are you in Germany? Like you said, you went north. So north from where?
I'm living in Stuttgart, so it's southwest.
Okay.
And so north, I went to Hanover. So it's like 6-hour drive.
Oh,
just a car.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. So north.
And then Switzerland is how far from you?
Like 2 hours.
Oh.
Wow.
So to Christina, because she's more to the west, so it's like almost 3 hours to her place. So
we have Deborah, the publisher, the writer of the book, is coming to Germany. They're going on a tour, so they want to try and hook up with you or Christine. I think they're going somewhere. I don't know, somewhere.
Okay.
It's like somewhere like New York. Oh, that's somewhere over there. Germany. It's somewhere over there.
It's small compared to Germany. I don't know.
So I guess we got to get it together. This global community is coming together. We have to get a map up here now, and
I know.
start looking at where all of our family is.
Cool.
Yeah. So we hope that you're learning BioTouch out there where you are. JustTouch.com. Past these little 20-minute shows that we do every Monday. It helps people understand a little bit of the depth of what we're doing. Why we do BioTouch. This is 30 years now. Dave just came here. We're getting ready to do our 30-year reunion in Southwest Colorado.
You are.
We're going to blog that. We're going to get in front of the Mancus Hotel and do a class in Durango and maybe stand on the street corners of Mancus, Colorado with fireworks or something.
Who's that crazy guy?
And then I really look forward to coming to Germany, my birth country, my family from there.
Absolutely.
Yeah. And now that I have my German citizenship, it's like it was all set up, ready to happen.
I know. That's true.
So, but otherwise, it's easy to learn BioTouch. Go to justtouch.com, and you can download the first 10 pages of our manual for nothing. And if you become a member, we just give you the whole ebook version of our training manual. And so in this class, this Monday show, we always like to teach a point, points. So here we're going to teach a real simple set today again, since we're talking about what's equal in all of us, the heart. And so we're going to share the heart set.
This set of points may be used for conditions relating to the heart, veins, blood pressure, and circulation. To perform this set, first find hold point X, which is on the breastbone, directly between where the nipples would be on a youth. Another way to find X is by measuring 1/3 of the way up the breastbone from greeting point 1. To address the well-being of the heart, hold X and with the other hand touch points 1 and 2. These points may be found by imagining a line running from the notch at the top of the breastbone to a place on the left breast where the nipple would be on a youth. Divide this diagonal line into thirds. Point 1 is at the top of the first third. Point 2 is at the top of the second third. Veins, blood pressure, and circulation may be addressed by touching point 3 in addition to points 1 and 2. Point 3 is at the soft indentation just above the collarbone, above and to the left of the notch at the top of the breastbone. It is the same as point 1 in step 1 of the metabolism set. Remember to hold each point for at least 6 to 8 seconds.
Father-daughter. Always love that.
Love, I know.
Yeah.
That's great. And it's so simple.
Yep.
And so powerful, isn't it? Yeah.
So we hope you'll learn BioTouch. That's why we're here, to share BioTouch. We had it looks like Lester wrote something what Michaela said. Looks like German, but it's a happy birthday to Paul. So.
Yeah.
So it is my birthday, and my wish at 5 years old is my same wish as it is today.
I know.
That everybody can be happy, healthy, and loved. And that really is, I think, the only reason all of us do this is to give that gift to people and freely open it. It's like we just keep giving it, and so you can take it and give it too. So
it's perfect. It's a gift to pass on and share every day, every single day of our lives. Yeah.
So I want to thank everybody for wishing me a happy birthday and all the other April 2nds. We have Jill. We also have Dr. Stevenson, Kenna Stevenson. It's her birthday today, too. She did our research. Right. And as we check out here today, it's a happy birthday, Paul. But, it's a happy birthday to everyone.
It is, isn't it?
So all of you have a joyous, joyous day. And we'll see you all next week. And thank you, Michaela.
Thank you, Michaela, for coming on our show.
Yep. So we love you all. See you next week.
Have a glorious week, everyone. Yep.